Hello, my name is Damian Campos, the General Sales Manager at Hyundai of Escondido. So the reason we reached out to SolarTech was, number one, we're a huge facility. Between Hyundai of Escondido, our service bays here, Hyundai of Escondido, and their service bays, and all that we do with this facility, our electricity bill was enormous. They gave us the best advice on what to put in this facility to save us, and guess what? Our price in electricity has gone way down. We're an eco-friendly dealership in regards to what we're trying to do for the environment and our community. So the greatest thing about SolarTech is the experience has been amazing. Didn't even notice they were here when they were installing these panels. Over 1,000 solar panels. You couldn't believe the efficiency that SolarTech was here to provide this facility. I've been here at Hyundai of Escondido 32 years. SolarTech is the best company to work with. I highly recommend that. Check them out, solartechonline.com.